In this video, we're going to be replacing the driver's side mirror on this 2015 Hyundai Sonata. On the inside of your door, if you look up to the top of your door panel behind the mirror, you'll see a black cover. It'll be the same for driver and passenger. You're going to get behind there with a pry tool or a panel tool. Just pop that cover inwards towards you. There'll be a couple of retaining clips on the back side that we're popping out. We can go ahead and set this aside. You should now have your electrical connection that goes into your powered mirror right here. We are going to disconnect the connector by pressing in the tab and separating the plug. Don't let the vehicle side plug fall behind the door panel, or you will have to take your door panel off to get to the other side of this plug. Now from here, we have 1, 2, and 3 10mm bolts. We'll go ahead and take those out. And on the third one, I like to put a hand on the other side and just support that mirror. There may be one more bolt behind the gasket. We'll find out in a second. Once you've got your 3 nuts removed, go ahead and pull your mirror outwards and off the vehicle. Okay, now you can take your new mirror, place it on the outside of the vehicle, and feed your electrical connection through. And we can here start to line up our studs through the door. What I like to do is keep one hand squeezing our mirror into place on the top while we put on our 3 nuts here. Once you have one threaded in by hand, you can let go. On these bottom 2, make sure you don't drop the nut into the door, or you will have to take your door panel off to retrieve that nut. And with our 10mm socket, we can tighten these down. From here, you can take your electrical connector, plug it in, and hide or tuck away that connector back in behind the panel. We can take our cover, line it back up, and press to click in those clips. Now that you've come this far, you want to turn your vehicle on, check the functionality of your mirror, make sure the electrical connections are good, the motor works as it should.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ, the only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.